Are you solitary, and suspicion how lifetime is more than costly for you rather than it is for yours linked up friends? So you could be law. Down there are 7.7 million human beings residing one in the UK, and on to the office space for domestic statistic. Recent year they every consumable on ordinary £21 a 1 week more than rather than individuals residing as a pair. Down there are all kinds of factors at act there, but a fast examination of solitary human beings looking for loving at a rate dating overnight in Hove, East Sussex, shows which bugs human beings the largest. I dwell on my own and I include to pay a hypothec and all my billing by myself, I don't include nobody to break how in, says Emma, 29. She says creature solitary as well affects her conducting manners. He's facilitating to remain in while thou re portion of a pair. While thou re solitary you don't ever wish to remain in and be on yours their own, that tool you go out more than, that tool more than cash. Jeremy, 32, agrees how the load of not dividing his lease and power billing in nobody conducted its duty. But it was while he went on a pack feast to Cuba how he very noted, while he got loaded the dreadful solitary edition. Creature a solitary man instead of a pair, you get type of penalized. It gives you a slight bit of an emotion, not load, but a torment a slight beat. Not all is so grim. One female, 27, someone's fair go out of a length period relation says she hasn't very noted lot distinction. I believe he's more profitable creature solitary. I can expend my cash on which I wish to expend my cash at. Study in the Residing Wages by Loughborough College and the Believe Pot Solution Basis has found how solitary human beings residing one include to earn money pound and time, because a pair out of guys would every requirement to earn money pound and time, to reach the identical proper norm of residing. The is for the UK, eliminating London. Claire Walsh is a chartered finance scheduler at Dimension 8. She utilized to be marital but is now solitary and lives one in a plane in Hove. Down there's completely a distinction financially to creature solitary. He's not how you pay part of the expenses how you did while you were in a pair. He's rather a bit more than rather than how, I would estimation he's 80 to 90% of the expenses for a solitary man. Apparently thou got yours lease or hypothec but though things love public utilities, thou re not with part of how, you yet requirement to warmth and lighting yours household. Human beings residing one do get a 25% rebate on justice taxation, but Claire thinks how to be equitable, the rebate should be 50%. He's not fair the price of fleeing a domestic one how stings. You could be one of the 18 millionth human beings in England and Wales who are not marital and not residing in a affiliate, but do dwell a planet house usually geared to couples. A easy trading travel about Hove shows which things can be more profitable while you buy as portion of a pair. Get Guipard's Gymnastics, for sample. A affiliation down there is £25 a monthly while pay for by straight debit. Two human beings profitable of the identical banking expense pay £40 a monthly, a rebate of £5 every. At feast period journey agent, on the top road, an all-inclusive feast to Corfu in Greece in September expenses £2,180, that is £1,090 per man. A recital traveller would include to pay £1,400 for the identical feast. Joseph Ibrahim, the founding member of the Journey Agent, explains the cost distinction. Down there's rather a lot implicated in supporting the chamber, of clean, washing, heater, power, so the inn will say they yet requirement to accusation for supporting the chamber. On top of the, hotels suppose how a pair will expend more than cash at the small restaurant, pub and spa, so they accusation solitary nomadic people more than to do up for how sum of cash they're not departure to expend. Journey expenses can be more than costly too if you are solitary. An outgoing flying to Corfu for the first Saturday of September, ordered via the EasyJet website, expenses pound while purchased separately. But while I buy 2 tickets along, the cost goes downward to pound per card. EasyJet says down there's a cost distinction since budgeting airlines are constrained to involve authority charges in their promoted prices. So if thou reorder one card, you include to pay the entire administrator fee oneself, time order 2 or more than tickets spreads the price. As well, purchase car insurance coverage via a cost compare website. I can rescue more than rather than £100 if I'm marital, and put my man as a other motorist, compared to if I'm solitary. How since insurance coverage claims story suggests how human beings who are populated downward in a affiliate driving, on ordinary, in a more than reasonable vogue, rather than human beings who aren't. In addition, the husband as a other motorist lowers the price by propagating the hazard. How's the theoretical in any case? Addition it all up, as a pair it would price me £1, for a feast, a flying, car insurance coverage and a monthly's gym affiliation. But as a solitary man I'd pay £2, for the identical things. How's a distinction of £1? A lot of price saving done as pair can be put downward to economies of scope, and you don't include to be romantically implicated in a other man to both of get benefit of couple saving. Yet down there are a quantity of tax crushed and finance benefits how favor couples if they are marital. At first is the wedding tax benefit. If one affiliate is a basis rate tax taxpayer and the sum is making less than rather than £11,500, the reduced minor can transmission £1,150 of their private benefit to their man, woman, or civilian affiliate, save them up to £230 a year. Inheritances among spouses are fully complementary of succession taxation, but if you are outgoing yours cash to nobody else, later succession is taxable at 40% over £325,000. In supplement, a surviving affiliate can possess their dead husband's tax complementary gang, so while the other husband day, their family can possess £650,000 taxation free. Eventually, down there are definitive wages pensions. A husband's retirement die benefits can be a really profitable revenue flow, but usually you can't do a regulation for nobody else love your sibling or yours family. I do get more than of an question in things love the tax crushed, love the wedding benefit, that is really lot a public build of the by the government, says Claire Walsh. I believe how as a community we do requirement to be developing a bit more than and treat all alike. How told, the Institution for Financial Teaching points out how common, benefits and tax credits can be seen to fine couples, since they are tool-tested relying on a couple's collaborative revenue. So too human beings can frequently get more than country supporting if they dwell individually rather than if they dwell as a pair.